because it is the entrepreneurship which creates wealth, generates employment, and contributes to the earning for the government also, apart from providing us the wonderful unlimited opportunities.
This course handled all of that very meticulously. All the sessions were, echoing what technopreneurship and technology is for the respective country. And I compliment all the participants that they completed.
The program that has been designed is to help people or the participant understand what is called technopreneurship and how startups are created, how startups are supported inside an ecosystem, and how we can nurture startups. So there's the whole journey of the startups and how the startups are contributing back to the economy of the various countries. And then we try to understand that how the various incubators are right now promoting startups, the whole process of startup creation. That's something we have discussed over this 6-week period.